Alright everyone, in today's video I want to show you another way to unlock the screen pattern password. This time it's for the Samsung A33. If you've forgotten your pattern or pin and can't remember it anymore, we're going to teach you how to unlock it. In a bit I'll talk about how to unlock the Google account, but that's only if you need it. So remove your SIM card and your memory card because this procedure will erase everything that's stored on the device. In some cases, you might need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any program, file, or anything like that. So try it both with and without the cable to see which way works for you. Alright? We're going to try the first attempt without the cable, right here on the emergency screen. We're going to press the volume down button and the power button together at the same time. When it restarts, release only the volume down button, press the volume up button, and when the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button but keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'll show you here to make it easier for you to do it there. So let's go on this screen, hold down volume down and power until the device restarts. Let's wait a few seconds until it restarts. Now release the volume down button, press the volume up button. When the Samsung name appears on the screen, release the power button. It's not when the name flashes, it's when the name appears and stays, then release the power button and keep holding the volume up button here at the top, just like we said, until it enters recovery mode. Let's wait. This is recovery mode. I also want to give you a tip. This procedure will work for other Samsung models as well, okay? On this screen, we're going to scroll down to the fifth option by pressing the volume down button, where it says IP Data Factory Reset, and confirm with the power button. On this next screen, scroll down again and confirm once more. Let's wait for this information to be completed. When you reach this screen, just confirm. At this point, your device is already being unlocked, and you'll see it will restart soon. There won't be that screen lock password or PIN anymore. If you need to unlock a Google account, we can also do that remotely. No matter where you're contacting us from, we can perform this procedure, okay? If you need it, our number will be in the video description or in the channel description. You'll just need a USB cable, a computer, and the remote access program we use, which is AnyDesk. If you don't have AnyDesk, we'll send it to you as well, okay? What we'll send you is the remote access program so we can access your device and unlock it. We won't send you the programs we use to unlock, alright? So our number will be there, and if you want, you can get in touch with us to find out how much it will cost to unlock your device. If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will be in the video description. It doesn't matter how much you give, what's important is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you all. That was today's video. Thanks, take care.